Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a weekly check-in with me, actually for 2 weeks, because I did not want to do just the first, second, and third, so I figured I would wait until at least this week was done. So let's get started with the first. So for the first, let's see. I actually had a couple of transactions. So let's start with the first one being that I donated some money to one of my favorite rescues. That was $15, and I did pay that back to myself. I use my credit card for all my transactions, mostly all, just because of the percent of cash back. I also went to eat dinner at Timbers, which is a bar. Okay, then let me see if I can zoom you guys in. Yeah, okay. Then for the second, what did I do on the second? I got gas at Chevron. I paid myself back for that. And then that was it for that. And then I had, for Sunday the 3rd, I had a no spend. So that was exciting. Okay, and then that's it for that. So then I'm going to come here and do my check-in. So let's write out the dates for the first, and then the second. Okay, so then I had reverse rescue, and I donated it. That came out of donate money. Oops, I wasn't supposed to put donated right there, but that's okay. That was $15. Then I had Timbers on the 1st. And that was, I think, out of my eating out fund for $35. Then I pumped gas on the 2nd. That was $35 as well. So the total there is $85. So that was that for the first 3 days of the month. Okay, let's go back. Now let's do the 4th. So for the 4th, I spent $98 at Target. And that was a big expense because I bought my nephews a couple of pieces of clothing for Halloween, like little outfits, pajamas, things like that. And then I also bought some like personal care things that I've been needing. So I know that seems like a lot, but technically it was split up. Okay, on that same day, my boyfriend and I got Taco Bell. So that was $16. I paid that back to myself. Okay, that was that for that. Then on the 5th, I actually had class this night. So I didn't have time to cook anything, so I actually got McDonald's. It was like $3. Paid that to myself. Then on the 6th, I got my eyebrows done. Paid that in cash, I believe. Then on the 7th, I got my nails done. So this was right before we went to Universal. So I got my nails done. And then I also ordered a case from Amazon for my watch. Because I keep scratching it, so I got a case for it. I paid that back as well. Then on the 8th, I got a car wash because my car desperately needed it. And I also paid that back to myself. Then I got gas for $45. I filled this up in the night because we left to California on the 9th. So I filled it up the night before. And then that was it for the 8th and the 9th. On the way to California, we had stopped by a gas station like halfway to get drinks because we were thirsty. And then I was charged for the hotel, which was my portion, which was $135. And then we went to Universal that night. So I spent $43. I got my mom a scarf from Harry Potter. And then I also actually bought from one of the carts. We were thirsty and we wanted what are they called? Churros. We got some churros. So that was $27. And then we also got Del Taco on the way to California in the morning. Well, not in the morning, but like the afternoon for like lunch. So as you can see, a lot of expenses for the 9th. And then let's see, for the 10th, we got Thai food for lunch in LA because we actually went to go look at the Urban Lights. I'd never been there before, even though I used to live in California, but I didn't live in LA. But we got Thai and that was $60. Then I pumped gas again, which was $65, which is so crazy to me because to fill up my tank, whoops, sorry about that. Okay, to fill up my tank in Las Vegas, I spent $45. Then to fill up my tank in California, I spent $65. So that doesn't amaze you guys. I don't know what it is. It was $1 more because I believe here when I pumped, and it was at Chevron, it was like $3.89, and then over there it was like $4.89. So it was literally $1 more. Okay, and then that was it for spending. Okay, and as you can see, I had no spends. It was busy weekend, so I anticipated that. Okay, so now let's go down to write everything down. Okay, so for week 2, I'll start with the 4th. Target. And then for category, I'm going to do boys, which is my nephews, and then personal, because the rest of the stuff was like personal stuff for myself. That was $98. And actually the total for my nephew stuff were a little bit more than what I actually put. But my mom said she was going to pay half of what I bought them. So I'm still waiting on that. But that was my portion, the $98, including my stuff. Then that same day again, I got Taco Bell. And I don't really like Taco Bell, but it's one of the things that's the closest to us. So that was that. And that was out of my eating out. $16. Then on the 5th again, I had school. Didn't have time to cook. So I got McDonald's. I believe I took this out of my groceries fund. And that was $3. Okay, on the 6th, got my eyebrows done. And I thread my eyebrows. And that came out of Beauty. for $12. Then on the 7th, got my nails done. Came out of Beauty. That was $27. Then same day I ordered my case from Amazon. That came out of personal money. It was $10. Then on the 8th, I got a car wash. And that was my category for car maintenance. That was $10. Okay, then I got gas that same day. Chevron. This came out of my gas envelope. That was $45. And then 10/9. Again, I stopped at the gas station. I don't even remember the gas station we stopped at, to be honest, because we literally got drinks and went to the bathroom, and that was that. So this is gonna come out of travel. $5. Then hotel, also coming out of travel. $135. Then at Universal, like I said, I got my mom a scarf, a Harry Potter scarf. I'm putting travel. I don't know if the whole amount would come out of travel. I haven't figured out yet. I might take it out of my gifts, but I'm just gonna put travel for now. And then I also got from the cart the drinks and the churros, which was $27. So expensive. It's crazy. That same day again in the morning, I got Del Taco. This will come out of travel. $16. Okay, then on the 10th, we got Thai. And that came out of travel. That was $60. And then I got pump gas at Shell. And I'm going to put travel for right now. But for this part of gas, my boyfriend's probably going to pay me back. But I'm just going to put it down for now. And that is it for that. So, let me get my handy dandy highlighter. Put the total. So the total for last week's spending is going to be $572, which seems like a lot, but then again, I did, go on a trip, so that's only expect. So that is it for this weekly check-in. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.